Voice recording. Another way to make money online in Pakistan without investment is through voice recording. If you are interested in applying for this job, you can contact high profile websites. It is a little hard but not impossible. To get a job, you must find it and apply it. You will be hired if you meet the required qualifications. In the online world, you can turn your passion for voice recording into business. Manage social accounts. Many people have multiple accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media sites, and such people need assistance to managing his account, or such people needs assistance in managing their accounts. Search and apply for such jobs if you are qualified. You can also earn in the online field by managing social media accounts. Second method to make and earn money online. We will now look at the second method of earning money without investment in Pakistan. If you are an unemployed, you can find online jobs and earn money quickly. Salaries for online jobs are hourly, weekly, or monthly in Pakistan. It is very difficult to develop a business as a seller on Fiverr Upwork. Your order depends on your link. Some people do not receive a list of work order as soon as the skill arrive. People like this also move toward online jobs. The best way for a guy student with no skill and no experience to work online is to find online jobs and work there. People from home jobs is always preferred by studying students. For instance, if you want to work online as a businessman or seller, you must have any skill you processes. We will discuss in details the 10 best work from home jobs for students without experience in Pakistan. The top 10 online jobs for students are discussed in this section. Online data entry jobs. 30 best way to earn money online without investment. Data entry doesn't require experience. As a student, we have to do a lot of homework at home. We do schoolwork at home and are familiar with Microsoft Word. Data entry means entering company information into Microsoft Excel sheet, and Microsoft Excel is a very easy program to run. In case you don't know how to run it, you can watch a YouTube video and you will get all the guidance you need. There is no experience required for this job. This job can be learned quickly. Now, the question is, where can we easily find such data entry jobs?